Good morning, children. Today, myself, Ira Tayal, here again in front of you to tell you something more about metals and non-metals. Children, today we will discuss about the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. As you all know that all the metals show similar chemical properties, but their reactivities depend upon their nature and reaction conditions. Metals are different from non-metals depending upon their chemical reactivities. So first we will discuss about reaction with oxygen. Generally metals react with oxygen to form their metal oxides which are basic in nature. Most of the metals form basic oxides. Magnesium metal burns in air, it combines with the oxygen of air to form magnesium oxide which is a white powdery substance. Similarly, sodium metal also reacts with oxygen at room temperature to form a basic oxides called sodium oxide. Here the reaction is as when Na reacts with O2, it gives Na2O. All the non-metals reacts with oxygen to form acidic oxides as well as neutral oxides. Like sulfur, when sulfur burns in air, it combines with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide which is an acidic oxide. Similarly, when carbon reacts with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide which is again an acidic oxide. Now second is reaction with water. When metal reacts with water, it displaces hydrogen from water to form metal hydroxides or metal oxides and hydrogen gas. When magnesium reacts with hot and boiling water, it forms magnesium oxide and hydrogen. Similarly, zinc also reacts very rapidly with steam to form zinc oxide and hydrogen. Copper metal does not react even with steam. Similarly, metals such as gold, silver, platinum, they are also quite very unreactive and lie at the bottom of reactivity series. As compared to metals, non-metals do not react with water or steam. Now the next chemical property is reaction with acids. Metal reacts with acids to form their salts and hydrogen gas. When zinc reacts with sulfuric acid, it forms zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Same way, when magnesium reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, it forms magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. So we concluded that most reactive metals like magnesium, aluminium and iron react with dilute acids and produce hydrogen gas that burns with a pop sound. Less reactive metals like copper, silver and gold do not react with acids, as well as non-metals also do not react with dilute acids. Now, reaction with bases. Metals react with bases to form their salts and hydrogen gas. When aluminium reacts with sodium hydroxide in the presence of water, it forms sodium aluminate and hydrogen gas. Last but not the least is displacement reaction. Children, it is a chemical reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound. Like zinc being more reactive reacts with copper sulfate to form zinc sulfate and copper is left behind. Same way, zinc being more reactive from iron sulfate, it displaces iron from its place and make zinc sulfate. Most of the non-metals do not show displacement reactions, but some more reactive non-metals displaces less reactive non-metals from their salt solution. Like chlorine is more reactive than bromine, so it displaces bromine from potassium bromide and forms potassium chloride, plus bromine is left behind. So children, on the basis of these chemical properties, we can easily differentiate between metals and non-metals. Thank you. Nice day.